Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Guess where I am today? I'm in Belgium, so I came to see my parents, my sisters, and my brothers. I came here with all the kids, and guess who is with me here? Henry. Henry, say hi.
Hi.
I came with Cameron and Jaden, my two other sons, and they are in the other room with my mom and dad. I hope you like this mini vlog in Belgium. So I came from Belgium and then I moved to the UK. So this is my hometown. This is where I come from. So I'm always happy to be here, to come back and see my family. Henry? Tell them we'll see them later. Yeah.
Bye.
We'll see you later. Bye. Kiss. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, this is my mom there. My mother is there. Mama. Yeah. So she just came by to say a little hello to us.
Today, me and my lovely family, yeah, they came from London, so I have to make BANKU for them. This one we call it Mama BANKU, and that is BANKU. Daddy is standing there, asking him Mako is here.
Mako is here.
Yes.
Hello, Papa.
Yeah.
Daddy is going to make banku and
with
okra
soup.
Yeah. And yeah, so I can't wait. My dad is a good cook. My mom is also a good cook.
I know how to cook. I'm a good cooker also. Yeah.
My uncle is also here.
I'm taking small wine.
Alright friends, so my dad is busy cutting up his cow food leg because he doesn't have okra food without cow food. And you see that the way they cook together is different from everyone. It's all mixed up, but it ends up very good.
Yeah, baby, BANKU.
And to the big
Now
So again, this is teamwork. So my dad is cutting up half a tomato, he's got half an onion, and he's also got one Scotch bonnet pepper because he doesn't eat too much spicy food. And then my mom is gonna add a bit of water for him. And also, as you could see, my mom added a small Maggi cube to it, and my dad is going to blend it now. Now my mom is going to cook the okras and the garden eggs in boiling water.
So when we can say no, the baby must see a change and now we maintain. Baby, not some person is start history. Yes, a baby.
So cow food takes long to cook, so my dad asked my mom to transfer it into another cooking pan because it might delay him in making his stew. So this is what my mom is doing, but it has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, but it needs more. It needs to be soft.
I didn't know you're free Africa, you're checking your dear bank here, me from. I didn't see a smoking. Very fishy. Number is
someone wants to move it.
Nada. Tutu ase tutu.
So we can more money for it.
Mama na ye number 1. Omo na ye special.
Yeah.
Nam to am kono. So wana se ye penentem.
I think so.
Eba kurum ha face na eba kurum ha chu. Enu wa na we kurum ha no no.
I think you need to go home. You won't be that way.
Yeah, and dinner.
Where a danger?
We are monk.
Ah, MAGGI.
But then it's in the mountains.
Tomato.
The way they get to a binaka, say the dinner. Bowie and Modi also do 1 or 2. Also, the 1 or 2 Mako Semaku.
It was back home. 2 tomatoes.
Hey friends, I don't know if you've noticed, but my dad adds a little can of tomato puree to his stew, which is something I don't usually do, but as you can see, this is something different, and I'm always learning something new from my parents. So let's keep on watching.
And you'll bet me a years in China, the Japanese.
Just say 13 years, 14.
Where to?
14 years.
14 years.
Yeah, but now
14 years.
more than that.
Sir. Never hear me. 2004. Ah. Hey.
That's one that one. I got the baby. Say yes.
Why?
That's all I want to.
Ne.
Again. No brother, deal so you say that you are and then Kwana will give me automatic.
Sorry, I switched off the light by mistake because I was close to the switch. So as you can see, as I said, it's teamwork. So my mom added a bit of water to the meat, and by the way, this is veal meat, so baby cow, I guess, and she's adding just half an onion to cook it with, just to give it a little taste.
And yes, so won't be a show and we need you my boy about so. Yes. Caesars, I'm coming.
Nearly that one. No one.
Yes, wait.
So he added the meat to the stew, and now he's also adding the stock. As I'll always repeat it, never forget the stock when preparing either okra stew or okra soup. It is very, very important.
Yeah. You can wash it first. Wash it.
Okay.
So they are also adding fresh mackerel, which they are going to add to the cooking beef. So they didn't even separate it. Easy life, easy cooking, and it turns out perfect. On the next clip here, you see that my mom is taking out the fish from the cooking meat because you don't have to cook it too long or else it will become mushy. So about 5-7 minutes is fine.
Nana, so what fish no near dear into move for when be the be win friend. Wait for it to watch there, for it to watch.
For fishing.
For it to watch. For when I see the
So here my mom is preparing the banku. One thing I learned from my mom is that you don't really have to stay 10 minutes next to the banku, because I usually stir it for 10 minutes and she said I shouldn't do that. You just cover it and let it cook, and then you come back and stir it. Hey, look who we have here. We've got your favorite boy Henry, busy playing with his red card, so he won't look at the camera. He's in the kitchen with mommy and grandma. And also I want to tell you that our food is ready, so you can see it here. We didn't mix the okra with the stew because in my dad's philosophy you can always eat the stew with something else like rice or kenke. So here I am serving myself. All this is for myself only, and to be honest with you, I agree with my dad because I can always judge how much okra I need, if I need more or less. Dear friends, this is all for me, and I can guarantee you that it was awesome. It was tasty, guys. You should have been there.
Hand grind them to make the stew.
Hi friends, good morning. Today's Monday morning and we just woke up. Henry, Henry, can I please talk?
Okay.
So yes, we just woke up and I hope you enjoyed watching my dad and mom cooking together yesterday. And this is how it works in our family. They always cook together. It's always the case, and that's what I really like about our family, because we are united, we help each other a lot, and that's also where I got my cooking skills from. I learned from both my mom and my dad. So you know, that's the only time I don't have to cook anything, because when I come here, they just treat me like a princess, you know. Although I'm 33 years, I've got 3 kids. My oldest son is 12 years. My dad and mom still treat me like a queen, like a princess. I don't really have to cook anything when I'm here, and I love them so much. Yeah. Henry, now you want your moment?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell them?
Okay.
Say yay. Hello. Hello.
I.
Hi.
I.
Hi to your fans, yeah? Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my mom and my dad cooking BANKU and okra stew. I'll say okra stew, not okra stew, because it looked more like a stew and it was very quickly prepared. It wasn't even in our plans, but when I woke up in the morning, I said, why don't you guys cook okra stew so I can video you and show my subscribers where I got my cooking skills from. So yeah, this was a very quick one, but next time when I come back, I'll make sure I take my camera with me. So forgive me for the video quality. I'm recording with my phone this time. Oh, check, who's here? Henry's here. Yeah, so next time I'll use my Henry, what's on your nose? Huh? I use my camera to record everything. So see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, so we were on our way back to the UK. It's 2 hours 10 minutes by train. The train goes on the water. It's a whole lot of process, but you can go on the internet and see how it works. One thing I want to add is that if you have both parents alive, or even one parent alive, make sure you cherish them. Make sure you go and see them as much as you can, because it is very important, and tomorrow is never guaranteed. So please do that and go and visit your parents. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.